Hey everyone, and welcome to Teaching with Sierra Vlogmas Day 7. Today's video I am going to be showing you guys how you can use leftover crayons that your kiddos have at home or whether at school. So you'll need leftover crayons, molds, and that's it, in the oven of course. So the first thing I'll say is you want to preheat your oven to 250 degrees. Go ahead and get your mold out, get your crayons cleaned up, and then just fill in the molds and throw them into the oven. If you have leftover crayons or crayons that are just sitting, you can pull these to the side and you can peel the paper off. So we have all of these crayons here at the house that I'm going to do this experiment on. So I do have like a big silicone rectangle where I'm going to take all the crayons out and put it in there. If they already are out, I'm putting them in there already. I will say another option is to let these crayons soak in hot water for like 30 minutes to a couple hours, and it will easily come off better than the option that I'm showing you here. Alright, so what you're going to do is go in and just break these up even more if you can. That way we can fit them down in the molds to make the new crayons.
I don't want to put it in the oven.
Alright, so what you'll do is we have all these colors. You can start to fill the molds with the crayon colors, and it will melt, and then when we take it out it'll harden within like 10 minutes. This is the amount of crayons that we have left over right now from what was just put into the molds. So good. Alright, so they are done. As you can see, just want to take it out of the oven and allow it to cool. Alright, so here they are out of the oven. They have to mold and get hardened. So that will just be a process itself to let these get hard. I will include some pictures at the end of this video to show you guys the outcome once they come out of the molds. Thank you guys so much for watching.